viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in last video I have gave information about Jaxx wallet. If you need to hide or show wallets from your Jaxx page, so how can you do? This is so simple and easy. Please go to my YouTube channel, watch that video. So today we are going to discuss about Jaxx wallet. You can check the final balance of any Bitcoin wallet or any Bitcoin address, or also you can check the final balance of Ethereum, Litecoin from Jaxx wallet. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. If you need to check balance of your wallet or other relatives wallet or your friend wallets, so how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. You just simple watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallace Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowallaceinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Jaxx wallet Chrome extension, and today we are going to find the wallet transaction from Jaxx wallet. Yes, this is a possible. You can easily use your Jaxx wallet and you can find the final balance of any Bitcoin wallet or Ethereum wallet or Litecoin wallet. It's depend on you if you have already wallet address. So now I have click on the Jaxx wallet. Now you can see here the Jaxx wallet is open in front of me, and you can see here there's 4 tab is available. If you need to find the final balance of any Bitcoin wallet address, so first you need to get your wallet ID. Let's suppose I'm going to click on receive. I have not make any transaction on this wallet, and I'm going to check what will be the result show front of me after enter my this wallet address on Explorer. So you go to click on more. You can see here there is the more button. After that, the third option is that block explorer. When you click on block explorer, you can see here there is all wallets available like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Zcash, DigiBytes. Means all wallets available here where you can find the all wallet transaction like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic. Just you have wallet address or wallet ID. So let's suppose I have copied my Bitcoin wallet address. So I'm going to click on Bitcoin, and after that you can see here there is enter the address, transaction ID or block hash. So this time I have copied my Bitcoin wallet address, so that I'm going to paste here and want to check I have uh, make any transaction on this wallet or not. Now you can see here viewer, on behalf of this wallet address I have not make any transaction. I have not any balance. So I have already copied in my notepad file other wallet address of Bitcoin. You can see here, just simple copy and go to the click on minimize, but unfortunately my wallet is closed, so I have just click on again. Now going to again open my wallet explorer of my Bitcoin. You can see here the Jaxx wallet is going to open in front of me. After access my website data, you can see here. Now going to again click on more. Now click on block explorer, and I have my Bitcoin wallet ID. Just simple click on it and now paste here. Then click on search button. Now the explorer is working on this website, this address, and after search complete, then will be shown data about this wallet address like deposit, withdrawal, transactions, final balance, each and everything. You will get the information about wallet address on this option of Jaxx wallet. If you have any wallet address of uh, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, so you can just simple go to the open your Jaxx wallet. After that click on more, and then you can easily check. You can see here the summary is available about this wallet here, and the transaction ID 1110 21 means today we make the transaction from this wallet 6 BTC receive, and also you can see here all transaction is available here. 2 BTC send means you can see here you can check all transaction about this wallet from your Jaxx Wallet Explorer. If you have your Ethereum wallet address, you can use same scenario. Just simple select from this option wallet or coin, just paste here the wallet address. After that, the all information about that wallet you will get easily in this Jaxx wallet. So guys, I hope you properly understand how can you find the final balance, or how can you check the all transaction data of your any address of coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, or other coins which is supported this time Jaxx wallets. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowalletsinfo.com. You can get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple, Newcoin, Litecoin. And if you click on all coin, you can see here there's I already make the many videos about Exodus, Digibyte, Coinbase, Bitcoin Diamond, Jaxx Wallet, Binance, Electrum, Namecoin. Just simple go to the Google, type cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you where you get all information about cryptocurrency wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye.